How to make a pull or a stretch text effect in After Effects. I already inserted the color palette that I'm going to use, so we're going to make a new composition, and the color of the background, I'm choosing this color. Now insert your text to the composition, and we are going to choose the change the hue color from the color palette. Now align it to the center. Right click on the text layer, create, and create shape from the text. Now delete the text layer, go to search and search for the path. Select all the letters and in the beginning of the frame put a keyframe. Go around 1 second and select the top points of the text like this and pull it up. Now select the bottom points and pull it down. Now go to around 3 seconds and copy these all and paste it here. Control C, Control V, or if you're using Mac, Command V, Command C, Command V. Let's arrange the time for each letter, and we're going to change the velocity to 80 and outgoing velocity to 80 also. Now let's arrange the timeline for each letter. First two row SP, and let's select all those three letters, and this two L, and last L like this, and our animation is ready. Also guys, if you like this kind of content, so please press the like button. It helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.